USA. Good morning, Philippines! Welcome back to my channel. This is your Faith McCord. So today's vlog is all about making our dinner. So what do you think is our dinner, Mom? So this is, by the way, this is the most popular, very famous dish in the Philippines. So most popular dish in the Philippines, it starts with letter A. Can you guess what? It is adobo! I don't know, this is not a most requested video, but I'm going to cook for you guys. So I'm not saying this is my first time cooking the adobo, but I hope this is going to be much better this time. But I'm not saying that I am good. So everybody, there is no such thing. There is no right or wrong in making adobo. So everybody has their own taste. Everybody has their own way of cooking. So I respect you guys. Please do respect mine too. Let me know if I'm doing right or wrong or whatever. So which way maybe I should probably improve next time, or you can give me some tips how to cook a better adobo. So yours may be probably better than mine, but this is my way this time, okay? So please, let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. I am going to put my apron because cooking is a mess. So let's do it, you guys. We have pork. The pork is fresh from the farm. Mom and I went to the farm this morning and we killed a pig, and this is what we got. Oink, oink, oink. What was the sound of the pig? Oink, 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 oink. Anyway, so then we got some ginger, onions here. Some, I don't know about you guys, but like I said, everybody is different. I like sweet peppers. This will be for our presentation. Green onions, oyster sauce, soy sauce, peppercorn, garlic. I love garlic, so I'm gonna go crazy with garlic. And we got some, we call this in Bisaya, paminta, bay leaves. I know I have so many of you American people. Please watch how we cook this. We are going to cook this together, okay? We are going to share each other's opinion here. So no fighting, okay? So this is my way. Let's go. We're going to put some water here. I am not measuring anything here. We put some water here, just a little bit, okay? Turn on the burner here. We will put our peppercorns, our onions. Onions is good for you. This is not baking. You can always adjust it later. So, I don't know about you guys, but this time, this adobo, we will put ginger, okay? Ginger. Just to get rid of the smell. The smell of that oink oink. Alright, let's check. It's been, what, 10 minutes now? So this is just basically water. We have onions in here and the ginger. Let it simmer some more, and not so done, kind of like halfway. Then we will put our garlic, and we'll put a little bit of you can use your olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil. So anything will do, guys. So but mine, I am going to use olive oil. Okay. So yeah, so Filipinos, I know this is not new to you guys. I know you have a better way of making your adobo, so you can probably share your recipe too. But this is just in the help of our American subscribers, American friends. So you guys, I hope you will watch this. This is the best adobo because it comes with all the love in the world. Faith's love for cooking, right? So let's cover them again. Boom balaka boom boom boom, boom balaka boom balaka boom boom, boom balaka. Let's check, and oh, we still have water in it. So it's not totally dry yet, so we will put our bay leaves. Okay, let's put at least 5. Okay, this is your paminta. In the Philippines, we call this paminta. Yes, Faith can cook. I actually learned to cook when I got here in America because we don't have no yaya here. No maid. Yaya is maid and we don't have anybody or a helper. So everybody here should learn to cook and you have to be independent. I think the meat is actually done. So because we still have quite a bit of a water here, we can actually dump some of them. Then we can put our oil. So it's okay to dump, guys. I'll show you. Okay, let's do it. It's just like that. Dump it. Oh, get rid of that water. The kind of like a sauce. Okay. I like it a little dry. That should be okay. Okay. We will add some gasoline here, okay? Oh, excuse me. This is vinegar. Okay, it was just a joke. I'm just kidding. Just a little bit. Okay? Just a little bit. That was vinegar. It's not a gas. Trust me. We don't want to die. We still want to enjoy life because life is just wonderful and it's amazing, especially after you eat Faith's Adobo. Try this recipe. I am telling you, you will forget your wife, you will forget your family, and just I don't know, I'm not gonna say it, but you know what I mean. We are going to put our garlic now, okay? So we got the vinegar. After the vinegar, we will put our garlic. Lots of garlic. I love garlic. So that's the garlic. There you go. So make sure that your meat is cooked. Okie dokie, so there comes. Now let's put our oyster sauce. See, as you can see, guys, it's not much. So let's see. Don't put too much because it's really hard to adjust later. You know, I'd rather put a little by little, and then you can add later. After you taste them, make sure they're not too salty, so you can tell. And then that was our oyster sauce, and then we put our soy sauce. So not too much soy sauce too, okay? So we'll probably put like, okay, so that was okay now. All right, so let's just leave it that, well, let's put 3. Okay, there you go. We can add more soy sauce later, okay, if we need to, but really we have to make sure that they're not salty because too much salt is not good for you. Oh wow, look at that, Mom. It looks like it's tender now. Mom likes bones. This is bone-in pork loin, country-style ribs. Hello, Nor. I am using Nor. For those who are not familiar with this seasoning, we use this a lot in the Philippines. You can buy this at Cub Foods. So my friends, Cub Foods has Nor. Hi, Nor. I love you, Nor. So, because this is a little bigger, I'm going to split this. We can add some more later if we need to or if we have to. But watch this, okay? Okay, there you go. Just like that, guys. I washed my hands. I just washed my hands. That's it. We did it, guys. How was it so far? It looks very pretty. I want you guys to try this, okay? Try this at home. And please let me know, comment down below what you think of my adobo. I'm trying to get the sauce. So I want to see if it's good or what. Or we need to put some more sauce or soy sauce. So yummy. I am going to add a little more soy sauce. Okay, this is a teaspoon, okay? Just a teaspoon. That's it. Then, look at the sauce. Wow! So this time, I am going to add some olive oil, okay? Just a little bit. Maybe, let's say, a teaspoon, okay? For now. Okay. There you go. So, it can't hurt. Alright? There's the oil. That was our oil. A teaspoon of olive oil. Okay, that's done, guys. I have the sweet peppers and we got some green onions. So we are going to put this in our food. So some people, this is not a typical way of making adobo in the Philippines. I should say this. I don't think so, Mom, right? Do you agree? We don't put sweet peppers. But because I believe this, the pleasure of eating comes from how pleasing the presentation is. So let's add this, guys, okay? So this is already done. So this is our adobo. It's just that I feel like it's beautiful to put some green onions in it and the sweet peppers. I love all of this. And it's safe to put this in the food. It's not gonna ruin the taste. So, like I said, guys, I am inviting you. Please try this at home. Okay, this is Faith's adobo. I want you guys to try this. That's it. So it's done. Some of you guys might like to add a little salt, pinch of salt, or some more soy sauce. But for me, this is perfect. Alright? So, and Mom agreed with me. I love you guys. I hope you had so much fun with me. This is your Faith McCord. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Spread more love, and please stay tuned for our next video. I'm so excited every time I'm here because this is my way of expressing myself, and I hope you really love to see me on this channel, on this platform. I am looking forward for your positive assessments again. Goodbye! See you later!